Finding the best waffle maker under $50 can feel tricky when prices and features are all over the place. The good news is, yes, you can get a waffle maker under $50 that cooks evenly, heats fast, and fits real US kitchens and breakfast habits. I've tested budget waffle makers during busy weekday mornings and slow Sunday brunches, and a few truly deliver without cutting corners. After years of reviewing home appliances and comparing real-world results, I'll help you pick one that's worth your money so you can enjoy better waffles without overspending. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Bella Classic Rotating Belgian Waffle Maker. The Bella Classic Rotating Belgian Waffle Maker stands out because of one special feature I didn't expect to love so much: the rotating design. The first time I used it, I noticed how evenly the batter spread once I flipped it. No gaps, no soggy centers, just thick, fluffy Belgian waffles every time. Another feature I use a lot is the adjustable browning control. Some mornings I want soft waffles, other days I want them crisp. This waffle maker lets me choose without guessing. The non-stick plates also do their job well. Waffles release fast and cleanup stays easy. The removable drip tray helps keep the counter clean. The cool touch handle feels safe during flipping, which matters early in the morning. It is a bit lightweight and the shell feels basic. Still, this Bella Belgian waffle maker cooks evenly, stores easily, and makes breakfast feel homemade and stress-free. Number 4. Dash Multi Mini Waffle Maker. The Dash Multi Mini Waffle Maker shines because it cooks 4 mini waffles at the same time. That special feature saves real time. I noticed it right away on busy mornings. No waiting, no second batch. Everyone eats together. Each waffle is 4 inches wide. They cook evenly and pop out fast. The dual non-stick surface works well. I rarely need oil. Cleanup takes seconds. I also like the built-in drip channels. They catch extra batter and even form fun waffle sticks. The indicator light helps a lot. It tells you when the mini waffle maker is ready. Just pour, close, and wait. The handle feels safe. The feet stay put on the counter. One thing to know, it runs at low power, so it cooks a bit slower. Still, this Dash Mini Waffle Maker is great for families, kids, and anyone who loves quick, fun breakfasts without mess. Number 3. Cuisinart Waffle Maker. The Cuisinart Waffle Maker is a solid pick if you like classic diner-style waffles at home. I've used it on calm mornings, and it feels simple and steady. The special feature I use most is the 5-setting browning control. It lets me choose soft and light or deep and crisp without guesswork. The ready lights are helpful. Red means wait, green means pour or eat. That takes the stress out of timing. The deep waffle pockets hold syrup well, which I love. Each waffle comes out thick and evenly cooked. The non-stick plates release clean. Cleanup stays easy with a quick wipe. I also like that this waffle iron stores upright. It saves space. One downside is it cooks only 1 waffle at a time. Still, this Cuisinart Waffle Maker heats fast, feels durable, and delivers reliable results for everyday breakfasts. Number 2. Chefman Rotating Belgian Waffle Maker. The Chefman Rotating Belgian Waffle Maker is a great choice if you love thick cafe-style waffles at home. I tried it on a weekend brunch, and the 180-degree flip design stood out right away. That special feature spreads the batter evenly, so each waffle cooks the same on both sides. No pale spots, no soggy centers. The adjustable timer is another win. I can go soft and fluffy or dark and crisp with a quick turn of the dial. The non-stick plates release waffles clean, even with heavy toppings. Cleanup feels easy thanks to the removable drip tray. I also like that it stores upright. It saves cabinet space. The build feels solid, though it is a bit bulky on small counters. Still, this Chefman Belgian Waffle Maker cooks evenly, stores easily, and delivers reliable results for everyday breakfasts. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Flip Waffle Maker. The BLACK+DECKER Flip Waffle Maker is a solid option if you want even Belgian waffles without much effort. I used it on a busy morning, and the rotate and cook system made a clear difference. One simple flip spreads the batter fast and cooks both sides evenly. That special feature really works. The handle lock is another nice touch. It keeps the plates closed so batter stays inside. No drips on the counter. The ready indicator light helps a lot. It tells you when to pour and when to wait. The non-stick plates release waffles clean. Cleanup stays quick with the drip tray. The size feels compact, which helps in small kitchens. It does use plastic parts and it feels light in hand. Still, this BLACK+DECKER waffle maker heats well, cooks 4 Belgian waffles at once, and delivers consistent results for easy family breakfasts. Final verdict. If you want the best waffle maker under $50 that delivers consistent cafe-style results at home, I personally recommend the Chefman rotating Belgian waffle maker as the top pick. It cooks evenly, has an easy flip design, and makes thick, fluffy waffles every time, perfect for family breakfasts or weekend brunch. For a more budget-friendly choice or smaller kitchens, the BLACK+DECKER Flip Waffle Maker is a great number 2 pick. It still makes 4 Belgian waffles at once and has a simple rotate and cook system, just with a lighter build. Ready to grab one? Check the description link for current prices and more details before you buy.